Welcome everybody to Our Green Acres. I'm Teresa. Thanks so much for coming on today. Today's video is going to be some more decor flips, and these are going to be some items that I have accumulated through the months, the years, from yard selling and thrift store finds. And you know, anytime you go to a yard sale and you can find something for a quarter, 50 cents, $1, you'll pick that item up whether you need it or not. And if you're like me, you get it home and you know, and it don't just really fit into your decor, you know, in the present state. It may need some paint, or you know, you're just kind of waiting for that right place to put it. Well, I've had some items that I've had for, you know, a while, so I'm taking the opportunity now during the pandemic of, you know, now that life is changed for all of us, and we can't just go out and go shopping, and we don't have the freedom to go out like we used to. I'm kind of taking this opportunity now to kind of take the items that I've had and kind of give them that TLC that they really need. So that's what you're going to see in the video today. And I'm going to give y'all some more inspiration and ideas of how you can, you know, make over a lamp. And so I'm going to get on with the video. There's a couple of things I'm going to bring up. At the end of the video, I'm going to have some cute tater footage. And for those of you that may be new to our channel, this may be your first video and you're going, what is tater? Tater is one of our little cute kitty cats. And Tater has a little fan base going, so I always try to capture her because she's always doing something cute. But most of the time it's sleeping. But I got some cute footage. And then also at the end, I wanted to share with y'all what my good friend Linda brought over. Linda pulled up in the driveway the other day, and she told me previously the day before that she had gotten me something that would be good for a fall decoration, and she said, I'll bring it to you tomorrow. Well, sweet Linda pulls up in my driveway the other day and gives me something that her and her husband had gone out and gotten, and they thought of me and got me some. So I'm going to put them at the end of the video, y'all. I have not had any of these in years. And if you have any ideas or have any dealings with them, then you know how to preserve them or anything, leave them in the comments below, because we're anxious to hear. We were going to have to Google of how we were supposed to take care of them. So anyway, I'm going to put some footage of that at the end and share those with you, because I think you'll enjoy seeing them. And I also want to give a big shout out to Melinda, and this is going to rhyme, Melinda and Belinda. I asked in my previous video, if you like our channel and you feel like you know somebody, you know, friends, family, co-workers that would also enjoy our videos on our channel, please share it, because social media right now is the way that we can really grow. So if you'll get on your social media and you'll share it or tag people that you know in my videos, or you know, any kind of video that we do a lot of gardening and canning this time of year, and there's a lot of content for everybody on our channel. So, but and I said, if you do, let me know, because I personally want to thank you. Well, Melinda and Belinda, they shared video and shared our channel with on their Facebook page, and some with their family and friends. So I want to tell y'all, thank y'all so much. And if y'all do, please let me know, because I want to really, you know, just tell you how much we appreciate it. And I want to give a shout out to the 5 top posts on my Facebook home decor page. The info will be in the video on how to join it. So please go over and join me on Facebook. We'd love to have you in our home decor group. But I want to give a shout out this week to Linda, Marsha, Kathy, Sandy, and Deidre. So y'all keep on going over to the home decor page, posting. I love going out. I try to comment on as many things as I can, because I love seeing everything y'all share. So it's just a lot of fun. So I'm going to get on with the video, and also go over and follow me on Instagram at Our Green Acres. And I hope y'all get some inspiration today. I really appreciate each and every one of y'all for coming on. I hope all of y'all have a fantastic weekend, and I will see y'all in the next video. Thanks for watching, y'all. Okay, decor flip number 1 is going to be a wood and a metal wall chandelier. I purchased this one year at a yard sale, and I think I paid $1 for it. And somebody got a good start on refinishing it, and it looks like they just kind of gave up. So they looks like they started painting it and put a thin layer on it. So basically, I just kind of went with what they started. I filled in the crack with some spackle, and I tried to fill that in and disguise that as much as I could. Also, just applied more chalk paint on it, and I used the white linen from Rust-Oleum, and then I put some distressing on it. And I'm going to show you some ways that you can style a piece like this. Okay, Decor Flip number 2 is going to be another lamp. And I love redoing and making over lamps. This lamp has a really pretty body and shade. And I purchased this at a yard sale, and I paid less than $5 for it. And you can see it's got some, some gold and just an antique type finish to it. So I'm going to chalk paint it. And first, you've seen me do this a million times. I'm going to put the candle wax on it, just to help when I distress to take the paint off, so I can use a plastic scraper instead of using sandpaper. A lot of times using sandpaper on things like this, it's too abrasive and it'll leave little scratches. So if you use the candle wax method in the plastic scraper, this is much, a better process than the sandpaper to me. And then I'm going to take some chiffon cream Rust-Oleum chalk paint, and I'm just going to go over. I did a couple of coats on this lamp, and then I'm going to take the plastic scraper and I'm going to add some distressing to this piece. Okay, I just want to jump in real quick and just give you a little bit more inspiration on the lamp. My lamp has a long pole, so I printed out a free printable, and it's just French handwriting, and you can get, scrapbook paper also would work. But see the long pole of the lamp? Well, as you can see, I got some Elmer's school glue, and I've temporarily glued this on here because I want to show you different ways of how you can stage it. But I wrapped that free printable around that pole just to give it another detail of color, and it kind of brings out the color in the lampshade. So I just want to give you a little inspiration there. Don't be afraid to get your scrapbook paper out or get out a free printable and, and add it to your lamps. Okay, decor flip number 3, and this will be the last flip for the video. It's going to be a galvanized watering can that I picked up a couple years ago at Goodwill for $5. I love galvanized metal, but sometimes it tends to fade into the background, in my home, so sometimes I have different ideas for it. And in this case, I decided I wanted to brighten this one up and just lighten it up some. And first of all, I spray painted it white, and then I changed my mind and decided to go over it with the cream color. So that's why you'll see it painted white a little bit in the video here, but I thought it looked better as, cream color. And I also taped up the wooden handles because in a few minutes I'm going to take some brown craft paint and I'm going to water it down, and I'm going to use that for a stain to stain the wooden handles. And then I'm going to go out and print out a free printable off the Graphics Fairy website. And y'all know I love vintage French postcards, so that's what I went with on this one. And I just used some Gorilla spray adhesive glue and glued the graphic onto the front of the watering can, and then I add some embellishments.